Hey, welcome back.
To the Cool Buddy Boo.
Boo, Cool Buddy.
We're back in Qana.
Okay, what are you doing today?
We already spent it. It's nighttime right now, and now we're in Abraha Cruise.
Abraha Cruise.
And
Wow.
we're gonna show here's some jokes.
Okay, you're gonna tell us jokes.
Yeah.
This is a really cool place. You've never taken me here before.
Let me say my jokes. Let me say my joke.
Yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Very nice. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, let's enjoy. Let's check it out. Have good fun. And let's.
Another joke.
Yeah, go
You
on.
know where they keep their fish? Where they keep their food? And
Where?
the fish bank.
Oh, in the riverbank. Oh yeah. That's funny. Good. Okay. So let's go over there. Let's get on the boat.
And the fish are running because we're crocodiles.
All right. Hey, cool, buddy.
Yeah. Look at this. It's black. It was red. Now green.
Magic.
And magic.
Yeah.
Now it's white. Let me click. Let me click again. Red. Another.
Wow.
Sir, please, madam.
Buddy, let's go. Let's go.
Hi everyone here.
Are you excited? Are you excited? And you excited?
Hey, here you are. Are we ready to go?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Cool.
I'll do my magic on this.
Oh, good magician.
19 full. 920. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Here you are. Okay. Do you have any questions to ask me? Anything you want to ask? Sure, ask me.
Here's a question.
Okay.
Why are the fishes going away?
Why
because
are
the two crocodiles are here. I don't know what that's.
That's so funny. So why are all the fish gone? Because the two crocodiles are here. Are you feeling cold, best
No.
buddy?
No,
Then why are you hiding?
because I did it out of public.
It's amazing.
Okay, you actually make no sense. It's a new one. Nice as a big
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah?
Here's a cool one where cheers begin.
Cheers, biggest.
Nice big eyes.
Nice big eyes.
And short as a lower.
Sure. And hello. Very nice. You're very creative. That's one really good thing about you. You're creative. And this is why I call you Cool Best Buddy.
Creative buddy.
No, not creative. Cool Best Buddy. And you're the best at everything.
And soon,
Yep.
the best buddy is gonna be the combination buddy.
Oh, the new combination buddy's gonna join us.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
Guys, don't lie to us. Who hasn't subscribed? Who has not subscribed?
Or like, or comment, or viewed.
Like, subscribe. ASAP.
And share to anyone
Cinema
that they
City.
like.
Can you see it? It's the entire city of cinema. Wow, look at all of these cool restaurants, cool buddy.
Whoa.
Pretty nice.
I'm gonna be quiet.
Okay, you can be quiet and I'll record everything. Hey, look at all of these boats and yachts. Amazing. Cool, buddy. Look at all of these cool yachts. Boat. Which one have you got? Which one's yours?
This one. Editing with some music with the color.
Yeah, they're dancing. Nice. Oh look, that's a boat hotel. A coffee shop. Very nice. Wow, look at these big houses at the back. Cool, buddy. Quite like them.
Oh, that's a humongous boat in the ship.
Cool, buddy. What do you think of this boat? Shall I buy it for you?
Wow.
Actually, can you buy it for me? Because you're the big YouTube star.
Yeah. About a billion subscribers. Yeah.
1 billion subscribers, guys. Today, we are 1 billion. All of us together, we are all together. 1 billion of us.
That's my house.
Hey,
If you get
go on. What do you want to tell me?
I'm gonna buy you that house.
Which house? You're gonna buy it for me?
Yeah.
Amazing. Let's go
it's
fast.
going fast.
We're gonna go fast
Fast
now.
as the tires.
Ooh.
Go
Speeding.
Be careful of rocking your camera.
Oh yeah, sure. Wow, I like the wind. Nice houses. Any other joke for us? Yeah, go on.
I don't remember. Hey, I got it.
Okay, go on.
Two fishes
Yeah.
were going a message.
Yeah.
And they said,
Yeah.
I fish you.
Oh.
And the fish means miss a fish.
Oh, so two fish wanted to give each other a message, and the message is, I really, really, really fish you. That's funny. You're funnylicious. You're fishlicious.
It's wobbly.
This is one of the best rides ever. Here you are, cool buddy.
Ooh, scared me.
Hey, you'll never get scared. You're the cool buddy.